Hello friends, welcome to the video 21 for the Excel 2016 series, and in this video we're going to be talking about the alignment group. Well, it's pretty simple. First of all, we have these three commands to change the vertical alignment. So usually we start with the alignment at the bottom of the cell. We can change it to the vertical, to the center, or to the top of the cell. Pretty simple. And below we have this other tree that is for the horizontal alignment. So normally we have a left alignment. We can do a center of the information, or we can align it to the right of the cell. Now we can rotate our text. We have this with this command right here, so we can change the angle, put it in vertical, rotate. Now the indentation, this is very handy when we are creating lists. So for example, we have the 0.1 and then the 1.1 and then the 1.1.1, blah 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 blah. So it becomes very handy just to use some indentation. It makes the text or the list much more readable. Now again, well, this is a very long text, so what we are going to do is use the wrap text. It's already applied, so I'm gonna take it off, and as you can see, the text expands. If I take, for example, this one, it goes, let's say this comes on the top, so it's covering this information. So this is what the wrapping does. It expands the complete row to the cell that contains the longest information, so that it can be read completely. And well, the wrapping depends also on the width of the width of the column. Well, I'm gonna just undo this, go back. So that's what the wrapping does. There we go. Now to use the merge and center, well, this what does, you can combine cells together. So this what does, combines first the cells and then centers the text, but maybe we don't want to center, just to combine. We can use this merge across, and I'm gonna undo. I'm gonna select a range of cells just to show you also. If you use here the merge across, you see that now I have the five rows merged individually. Now if I go to the other one that says merge cells, it makes a complete merging. I mean, all the cells that I selected becomes just one. If I want to know how do I refer to this cell, this huge combined cell, well, just come here to the name box and it tells you, okay, that new huge cell, it's actually cell A9. And well, we have an unmerged cells. And finally, we're going to use the shrink to fit. Remember, when we have this icon on the lower right corner of the group, it means that I have a dialog box associated. So just click on the arrow, and well, we come to this dialog box, and it has all the settings that we have been using here. Now just notice that, for example, for the orientation or the rotation of the information, we can do it degree by degree, so we have much more control in here. And well, what I wanted you to see here is that the shrink to fit is grayed out. So if you have already seen this problem and you were wondering, well, how do I enable this option? Why is this disabled right now? Well, this doesn't work when you have the cell wrapped. So just unselect the wrapping text and this should become available. Now you can use the shrink to fit, And well, what is gonna happen is that the text gets the font of the text gets reduced so that it fits in the cell as just one single line of text so that you can read everything. Of course, if your text is very, very long, as it is right now, it's kind of hard to read, but well, it will depend on what's your need. If for some reason you cannot use the wrapping text, you need to use a shrink to fit, well, now you know what you can do or how you can do it. Just make sure again that the wrapping text is unselected so that you can have this option available. And well, I think that's pretty much about it for the alignment group. I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, please give it a like and share it with your friends. If you haven't already subscribed, I want to invite you to subscribe to the channel. And well, as always, thanks all of you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.